The iPhone 17 is poised to be a major upgrade over its predecessor, the iPhone 16. With a host of exciting new features and improvements, this upcoming smartphone is generating significant buzz among tech enthusiasts. In this comprehensive overview, we'll delve into the latest rumors and leaks surrounding the iPhone 17, exploring everything from its design and display to its camera capabilities and performance. Design and display. While the iPhone 17's overall design is expected to be similar to its predecessors, there might be subtle changes in dimensions or color options. Rumors suggest that Apple is considering introducing new colorways for the Pro and Pro Max models, including teal titanium, green titanium, or dark green titanium. These hues would offer a more vibrant and eye-catching alternative to the more subdued colors of the iPhone 16 Pro series. In terms of display, the iPhone 17 is rumored to feature innovative technology, such as always-on displays and promotion for smoother scrolling and animations. While the Pro and Pro Max models are expected to benefit from these enhancements, the base models might also see improvements in display quality. Additionally, there's speculation that the iPhone 17 might adopt a more scratch-resistant glass material, potentially offering enhanced durability. Performance and hardware. The iPhone 17 series is expected to be powered by Apple's next-generation A-series chip, which will deliver significant performance gains compared to the previous generation. This powerful processor will enable smooth multitasking, demanding app performance, and efficient power management. One of the most significant rumored upgrades for the iPhone 17 is a substantial increase in RAM. The Pro Max variant is expected to feature a whopping 12 GB of RAM, making it a powerhouse for multitasking and demanding apps. While the Pro model may stick to 8 GB, this still represents a significant improvement over previous generations. Camera capabilities. The iPhone 17 is likely to feature improved camera capabilities, including a higher megapixel front-facing camera and enhanced telephoto lenses on the Pro Max model. These upgrades will result in better image quality, low-light performance, and portrait mode capabilities. Additionally, the iPhone 17 is rumored to include an anti-reflective display coating, which can help reduce glare and improve image clarity. Other features. Wi-Fi 7. The iPhone 17 Pro models are expected to be the first iPhones to feature Wi-Fi 7 capability, offering faster speeds, lower latency, and more reliable connectivity. Apple-designed Wi-Fi chip. Apple is rumored to be developing its own Wi-Fi chip for the iPhone 17, which could reduce its reliance on external suppliers and potentially improve performance and efficiency. Action button. There's speculation that the iPhone 17 Pro might introduce a new action button, which could replace or complement the existing volume buttons. This button could offer customizable shortcuts and other functions. Conclusion. The iPhone 17 is shaping up to be a remarkable device with significant upgrades in performance, camera capabilities, and display technology. With its powerful processor, increased RAM, and innovative features, the iPhone 17 is poised to set a new standard for smartphones. As we get closer to the official launch, we can expect to hear more about the iPhone 17's features and pricing.